So getting your children to eat, and that to eating healthy, that is a huge job, and in Indian context really falls on the mom. It becomes a mom's job to feed the child. So hi, welcome back to the series of parenting videos brought to you by Parvarish and Education World. So today we are going to address the healthy eating and eating habits of our children, and this being a longer topic, it will take a couple of videos to finish off. So let's first look at a couple of aspects, the critical aspects about eating. You know, our children want junk more. That's what the problem of these days the parents is. So let's look at what does junk food give you. It gives them pleasure and it fills their tummy, and that's about it. Let's look at what else do they get out of junk food. Their mental, physical, emotional health gets damaged. Children this age are getting adolescence faster. The reason being the kind of food they are taking in. The adolescence is setting in earlier and they're not prepared for it. ADHD, they wanting to have more sweets and salt is all going from the junk food they have. It impacts their emotional health and their mental health. Obesity, laziness, all of that is creeping in, and you see a lot of diseases coming in just because they're not eating well and nutrients are not going into their body. Now think about it. As a parent, do you want to damage your own child? I'm sure you don't want to. But look at it, that when we feed junk food our children, that is exactly what we're doing to our children. If I ask you, would in any case you feed your children with drugs? You would definitely say no. So when it comes to a choice between the child sleeping hungry or you feeding him junk food, what choice would you take? I would rather let them sleep hungry rather than feed something which is going to damage them. So remember, next time when you're giving them junk food, you are actually giving them something which is damaging their physical, mental and emotional health. Having said that, getting completely off junk food may not be possible. So now let's look at views and ways how we can actually lessen them. Make it once a week, maximum twice a week, because it is damaging them and we as parents are damaging our own children ourselves. Second part, food is a basic survival need. Your child will have to eat, and it's not about human beings, it's about any living organism. Every living organism will find food for itself. So if you place the food which is healthy in their table, on their plate, they may throw a tantrum, they may say they don't want to eat it, but my request is do not give them an option. Let it be on their table, and I can promise you they will come back and eat it. So guys, practice this for a week. Let's lessen the, let's reduce their intake of junk food and give them healthy food without an option. If it requires you to take the biscuits and the Maggies stuff out of your house, do that. But remember, we are the last ones to damage our own children. Practice this for a week, and let's look at the other two aspects about eating habits next week. See you again. Happy parenting.